Carib Cement is a household name. Almost every Jamaican knows about Carib Cement. It is a source of national pride and a symbol of Jamaica's manufacturing and industrial capabilities. For several years, Carib Cement floundered in terms of reinvestment in the plant. But in recent years, there has been significant investment made in the plant. And today we are here to unveil the opening of a new kiln. Now, if you take a look right here, you would get a sense of the massiveness of what has been done here. This is a $7 billion Jamaican dollar investment in a new production facility. This kiln is breaking down material at heat of over 1,000 degrees centigrade. I'm told it literally converts the input, which would be gypsum and limestone, converts it to lava. So you could imagine the heat requirement that is necessary, the energy requirement that is necessary. Now, the beauty of the kiln is that it is using old tires and recycling them in the production process. But this kiln could also use other forms of waste. So this investment reduces emissions, reduces the cost of production, helps with our environmental and waste disposal issues. It reduces the downtime of operations, but it gives stability to the price of cement and the supply of cement, and of course maintains the quality. So this investment is so important on so many levels for Jamaica. But the important thing, in my opinion, about the investment is that it facilitates the growth and further development of our labor force in the technical science and engineering area. So as you look around the plant, you can see that the labor force has increased, but it is labor force that is well trained, that is highly technical. And you need this kind of labor force if you're going to undertake any massive redevelopment of your built environment. So on several levels, this is not just a development whose benefit is internal to the rate of return to CEMEX and its investors. No, there is significant external rate of return to the entire Jamaican population. And how was this possible? It is possible because the investors feel quite comfortable in putting down $7 billion Jamaican dollars in the Jamaican environment because they are certain of our tax policies. They are certain of our industrial policies. They are certain that the exchange rate will be stable for a long time. And they are certain that the government is serious about development. They are also certain of what our environmental standards are and what we require of them. And that, in a package, is the impact of good policy on development. Industry by industry, business by business, we are developing Jamaica. And I always encourage, choose Jamaica.